Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your server with DigitalOcean, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your DigitalOcean account. Navigate to the control panel. Click on the droplets section to view your servers. Select the droplet you wish to secure. Once inside the droplets page, open the terminal or connect via SSH. Start by updating your system packages. Run the command sudo apt update. Next, upgrade the installed packages with sudo apt upgrade. Now, install the UFW firewall if it's not already installed. Use the command sudo apt install of. Once installed, enable the firewall with sudo of enable. Allow SSH traffic through the firewall. Run sudo of allow open SSH. To check UFW status, use sudo of status. Next, create a new user for remote access. Run sudo add user username, replacing username with your preferred name. Add the new user to the sudo group. Execute sudo usermod ag sudo username. Now, set up SSH key authentication for secure access. On your local machine, generate an SSH key pair if you don't already have one. Use the command ssh keygen. Once generated, copy the public key to your clipboard. For example, run cat/ssh/id_rsa.pub. Back in the droplet terminal, switch to the new user. Use su username. Create a .ssh directory in the home folder. Run dir/.ssh. Open the authorized_keys file in a text editor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.